said, and hopefully I'll be able to teach you something that will not only increase your time, shorten your time to do your jobs, but also maybe give you what I'd like to do is teach you how to size rings on a conventional method known as fuse sizing. It eliminates the need for cutting little pieces and rolling your own stock, and it creates a stronger bond using no solders, no porosity. Generally, no porosity comes out of it. This tape is pretty much going to be off the cuff as we go. As I demonstrate things, I'll show you different things, and you can make note of that. So let's get started right away. First of all, I'd like to show you the basic tools that we need for this operation. Now, if we get some down here. Okay. First of all, I would like to take your gold rod, forecast it out a little bit. I'll turn the light off. This will be kind of hard to see, so I hope you can see it. Get your torch with a nice sharp tip on it. You want a nice tip, you don't want a bushy broad flame. We are welding. Concentrate your flame on the rod, where the rod and the ring meet. And you're going to melt that together, and this has to be a fast operation. There's not time for dilly-dallying because you can burn the stones or whatever. So here we go. I'll show you how quick it is. It's melting, melting, melting. I'm filling, and it's done. Now, take the ring off, and normally I will quench it back in the water. That one is done.